Stop scrolling. If your home ever feels like chaos, meltdowns, or crisis moments, this might be the most important video you see today. No one teaches us how to handle this. You're thrown into crisis moments with zero training. You freeze, you panic, you say the wrong thing, and it spirals. That ends today. Introducing Calm in the Chaos, the crisis management course and app that give you instant steps to calm any crisis. You'll learn how to de-escalate fast, stay calm under pressure, and protect everyone's safety, even in the toughest moments. The app coaches you in real time, like having a crisis expert right in your hand. Imagine going from panic to peace, from yelling to calm, from helpless to confident. For launch, it's only $29.99, normally $49.99. You get the full course, the app, and access to the ECS community. But this price won't last. If you're tired of chaos running your home, hit the link and get your calm back today. Your calm starts now.